Hey, Jonathan here at TopSaw. I was out weed eating and the weed eater is starting to bog down and a lack of power doesn't feel like it's accelerating quickly. That could be a lot of reasons. Where I'm going to start is by replacing the exhaust screen or the spark arrestor. It's really easy on this FS91, same on the FS131. You could clean that filter out if you want. You could use a propane torch and a brass brush and clean it out. Or the other thing you could do, which is even better or safer, is to replace it. Really small part. You should probably keep in your toolbox anyway. So the way you do that, let's see here. There's the exhaust right there. It's a T25 Torx. No, it's not. It's a T20 Torx. T20 Torx. You don't have to take anything apart. Just this bolt right here. Comes out. You don't have to take any of the housing apart or anything. Don't lose it. So take that bolt out, pair of needle nose pliers. It's only the one bolt to hold it in. There it is right there. It's actually not that dirty, so I don't know if this is the issue. I'll try this first, and then from here I'll go to a clean tank of fuel and a new fuel filter and air filter. Here's a new one. It goes in, it has to slide underneath the tracks there. Then T20 Torx. Make sure you catch that little ding in the screen, and it goes back in. Yeah, when that thing builds up with unburnt particles and carbon, then the exhaust can't exit, and that exhaust gas goes back into the cylinder, and that's what causes it to bog down a little bit. So that's one thing to do, replace the exhaust screen or the spark arrestor. They are really important to have, especially, you know, when you get in the late spring, summer, so you don't start a fire. So that's replacing the spark arrestor on an FS91, same on a 131 on most of them. You could clean them by hitting it with a propane torch and dusting it off, but I'd recommend replacing it. It's a couple $1 part. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully that helps somebody out there. If that doesn't work, then the next option is air filter, fuel filter, and spark plug.